How to make garlic mustard juice to add to your smoothies for a really healthy boost.
Right, so today I'm foraging the garlic mustard seed pods. So come with me. As you can see, this is how tall this garlic mustard has now grown. And these are the seed pods. There. These ones. So I've got my lovely sharp scissor. And I will cut off those stalks now. Whilst enjoying the company of my lovely little cat there. As you can see, my cat is enjoying this too. She likes sniffing it. The other one is laying happily next to it. Do you approve of Mummy's foraging means? I think she does.
Well, as you can see, I've foraged loads. So make sure you take it into your kitchen, cut it into smaller pieces and wash it. And then put it all into your blender.
Garlic mustard is very, very high in vitamin C and vitamin A. So it just will give you this extra little health boost.
Blend it all up and then repeat this until it's all liquid.
I will add 2 teaspoons full of turmeric and then mix it all up again. Also, I will add the juice of half a lemon. Just squeeze it all in.
Mix it again and then strain it.
So make sure you strain all the juice out of it until you're left with this. Don't forget to put this onto your compost, or you can also make a fertilizer with it by adding water. Leave it to stand for a couple of days. It will start to stink, and then water it down and water your plants. Whatever's left over, pour through this into a glass jar. Seal this with a lid and keep in your fridge to use whenever you make a nice smoothie, and add probably a tablespoon or 2 to your smoothies.
So let's make that smoothie.
Adding a banana, some raspberries, some orange juice, honey, and a splash of my garlic mustard juice. About 2 tablespoons full. Mix it. And enjoy. Cheers.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow me on Instagram at All My Witchy Ways, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.